In this video, we review Ramp versus Stripe. Have you used Ramp or Stripe before? What was your experience? Leave your Ramp or Stripe review in the comments section below. Ramp and Stripe are two prominent players in the financial technology sector, catering to businesses with distinct needs. Each platform has carved out a unique niche, addressing expense management and payment processing, respectively. This in-depth comparison will help businesses determine which platform aligns better with their operational goals. Ramp distinguishes itself as a corporate expense management tool designed to streamline internal financial workflows. One notable fact about Ramp is its commitment to a fee-free model, covering expense tracking, bill payments, and even corporate card issuance. This approach is almost unprecedented in an industry where platforms typically charge for advanced features or premium tiers. On the other hand, Stripe, as a payment processing giant, processes billions of transactions yearly, supporting over 135 currencies and payment methods. This breadth makes it an indispensable tool for global businesses aiming to scale their e-commerce capabilities. Ramp's primary value lies in its ability to empower businesses with tools for efficient financial oversight. Its corporate card integrates directly with its software platform, enabling real-time expense tracking, receipt management, and automated categorization. Beyond tracking, Ramp's algorithms identify redundant subscriptions and underutilized services, potentially saving businesses thousands of dollars annually. Its unlimited user access policy makes it an attractive choice for mid-sized to large enterprises with extensive finance teams. However, Ramp's laser focus on internal financial control means it does not offer payment processing or integration for e-commerce transactions. This limitation may deter businesses looking for a one-size-fits-all solution. Stripe, conversely, is synonymous with payment processing. It offers an API-driven ecosystem that allows businesses to customize payment solutions down to the finest detail. From small startups to multinational corporations, Stripe provides the infrastructure to handle credit cards, digital wallets, direct debits, and alternative payment methods like buy now, pay later options. This adaptability has positioned Stripe as a preferred partner for businesses in e-commerce, software as a service, SaaS, and the gig economy. Stripe also offers tools for fraud prevention, subscription management, and global tax compliance, creating a comprehensive suite for businesses expanding into international markets. However, these advanced features come at a price. Stripe charges transaction fees and additional costs for premium services, which can accumulate quickly for high-volume businesses. The benefits of Ramp include its simplicity, cost efficiency, and focus on internal processes. For businesses aiming to improve budgeting, enforce spending policies, and gain deeper insights into their operational costs, Ramp is an excellent choice. Its fee-free nature ensures that the platform's value isn't eroded by hidden charges or recurring costs. Yet, its limited capabilities in handling external transactions mean it cannot serve businesses reliant on customer payments. Stripe, while versatile and robust, comes with its own set of trade-offs. Its pricing model is straightforward, with transaction fees based on percentages and fixed rates. However, these costs can escalate for businesses handling millions of dollars in payments. Additionally, its focus on external payment management means that businesses requiring extensive internal financial tools may need to integrate Stripe with other platforms. Choosing between Ramp and Stripe boils down to understanding business priorities. Ramp is ideal for organizations that need to manage internal expenses, eliminate waste, and simplify financial processes. Its intuitive dashboard and automation features are tailored for finance teams that prioritize control and savings. Stripe, on the other hand, is the platform of choice for businesses aiming to grow their digital presence, facilitate seamless payments, and reach global audiences. Its scalability and developer-friendly API make it a powerful tool for handling complex payment requirements. Interestingly, some businesses find value in using both platforms simultaneously. For example, a tech startup might use Ramp for managing operational budgets while relying on Stripe to process subscription payments from customers. This dual approach combines the strengths of each platform, addressing internal and external financial needs. In conclusion, Ramp and Stripe excel in their respective domains, but serve fundamentally different purposes. Ramp caters to businesses focused on internal efficiency and expense management, offering a streamlined, fee-free platform. Stripe, with its unparalleled payment processing capabilities, suits businesses that prioritize scalability, flexibility, and global reach. By assessing their operational needs and growth objectives, businesses can make an informed decision about which platform aligns better with their strategic goals.